You keep blessing me, you keep blessing. 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 In the morning, in the noontime, even when it's a come for the evening. Let all of your family and your friend them know that God is the answer. Him are the reason why you get so blessed, why you get successful in all the things that you're doing. Always winning and never losing. Always on top speed, never cruising. Firmly rooted, forward scooting. Always making all the right moves and never miss a beat till now you're dancing shoes. And God is the reason I'm smiling. God is the reason I'm shining. No time to stand around and be silent. Be silent, be silent. On and on, Lord, you keep blessing me. On and on. When I'm weak, you make me strong. Lord, you keep blessing me. On and on. If I could do it all just one more time, I would only want to serve you more with all my life. 'Cause I've experienced what the world could do when I chose to separate and walk away from you. But I'm glad you never turned your back on me. You're the only one who helps me get through everything. Looking where I came from to where I am right now. Every day I wanna see God. On and on, Lord, you keep blessing
He's promised perfect peace if we would only keep our minds on him and not on the situation.
Don't worry, it's okay. I know that my heavenly Father is always on time and always making a way when there seems like no way. Don't worry, it's okay. I know that my heavenly Father is always on time and always making a way when there seems like no way. These words of wisdom will never disappoint you. They're proven time and time again. I guarantee that you won't lose. When everything that you've tried is useless and every day gets more confusing, I've got some good news. Definitely something that you could use.
Well, if you're seeking, you will find it.